Hello and welcome to this video on how to make money using ChatGPT for free. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like responses to various questions. In this video, we will show you how you can leverage the power of ChatGPT to earn some extra cash. Step 1. Identify a niche. The first step to making money using ChatGPT is to identify a niche where you can provide value. This could be anything from writing product descriptions to creating engaging social media posts. Step 2. Create a portfolio. Next, create a portfolio showcasing your skills. This could be a simple website, a LinkedIn profile, or even a collection of work samples. Make sure it's professional and highlights your writing and language skills. Step 3. Offer your services. Once you have a portfolio, you can start offering your services to potential clients. You can use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to reach a large audience and get hired for projects. Step 4. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas. When working on a project, use ChatGPT to generate ideas and content. This can save you time and help you produce high-quality work faster. Step 5. Get paid. Finally, after completing the project, get paid for your work. Make sure you communicate clearly with your client, deliver quality work, and get paid on time. With these steps, you can start making money using ChatGPT for free. Remember to always be professional and deliver quality work, and you'll be on your way to earning some extra cash. Thank you for watching and good luck.